today we are headed to the boat show, the St. Petersburg Boat Show, and we are just driving in from Treasure Island, so I think today will be a fun day.
Absolutely. I'm excited. I can't even say the word correctly.
You're excited.
That's how excited I am.
Okay, so yeah, we hope to see some sailboats. Hopefully we can get on some sailboats. I can look at some, which would be fun.
Yeah, so they got like there's at least 6 boats, a couple monohulls and a couple catamarans that we're gonna hopefully get some tours on. If you didn't know, I actually am a sailor. I did some certifications and I used to do a lot of lake sailing. But the dream since I've been a kid is to sail the oceans. So probably not gonna be buying a boat today. That's definitely gonna be something in the future. Maybe, if I can convince her. But today we're just gonna go look and dream.
We are Joel and Michelle. We sold everything for a lifetime of adventure, and then the world shut down. Join us as we navigate nomadic life and traveling as the world opens back up.
Perfect, thanks.
Yeah, you can stay until it closes if you want.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So it's all day.
All right, that's easy. So, hey, if everything works out, we might actually make it over to the St. Petersburg Pier, which is recently opened at the end of 2020. All right, this guy's been trying to pull into this one spot for the last like 2 minutes straight. And if you look behind us, you can see there's a whole line of cars now trying to get in.
Maybe. Oh, well, oh.
Oh, let's get around that guy. We're right next to the Dolly Museum where we were in our other video. Cool. All right, you excited? There it is.
All set.
Okay.
No, thank you.
So we got in, but my military ID got me in for free, but they ended up actually giving us 2 tickets to get in, so it all works out, but we ended up actually paying for a ticket already, so yeah, well, free ticket, but we all already paid for it, so. Yeah. All right, you ready for this?
Yeah, ready. Ready.
God, there's actually there's a lot of people here, and it's making me a little nervous. It's the most people we've been around in, gosh, a year probably. Oh wow. All right, so we're trying to find actually the sailboats because there's a lot of power boats here, but there's supposed to be at least 6 sailboats, so let's keep looking. I see a mast.
first boat we explored was Sea Salt, a Fountaine Pajot Lipari 41 catamaran used for charters in the Gulf. The charter company was going to offer a short sail, but due to the building weather, it was canceled.
Here's the head. Oh, this actually has a whole separate shower.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So what do you think, babe?
It's not bad. It's actually a pretty big bathroom.
Yeah, this is actually pretty roomy. Lots of light.
Fairly big closet.
So what do you think of the bed there?
It's fine.
You imagine being in this for a while?
I'm not sure.
One cabin here. The second head. Another cabin back here. This one's a little tighter.
Yeah, it's way tighter. You can't like fit for.
A little too wide for this. Like, I can almost get in. Little tight corners.
Yeah, pretty tight.
Like everything. So what do you think, babe?
It's nice.
Can you see lounging on a deck like this?
I don't know.
Nice little trampoline.
It's nice.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of light in here.
Yeah. Yeah, they got the two windows down here. This window up there. All these.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, look at the nice big settee area.
Yeah. This flips up too.
Yeah.
It's nice. You can have an even bigger table.
Look at the forward cabin. Ugh, I'm stuck again. I can't get through. Yeah, the forehead's definitely quite a bit smaller than the other one. Little V berth up front. This is a 39. We've got plenty of storage space.
Super tiny bedrooms on either side.
Oh wow, yeah, that is tiny.
But not bad.
No.
Here's the other bathroom. It's right here. I don't think I'd like this layout.
Then let's look in here, and then this bedroom. So I guess this is what the other one, the other side would look like. I can see you up here, baby. I can see your future.
Oh yeah.
There's your future. Wind blowing in the hair, on the bow.
I definitely like the catamarans better.
Good. How are you doing?
Are you ready to buy a boat and live aboard?
I'm trying to convince the wife. That's actually decent sized bathroom. So far, so good. We've got 3 of the 6 boats that we came to look at done, and but we are hungry. Oh my gosh! So I think we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't find us a little bite to eat, and then get back at it.
There were quite a few small food and drink stands set up all across the grounds of the boat show, but we were a bit hungrier. The St. Petersburg Boat Show had one main tent area that had a bar and also a single hot food vendor.
What you got there?
Cuban sandwich, and it's huge.
All right.
Pretty good. Hey guys, we wanted to take a minute to thank you for watching. If you are finding our videos helpful and entertaining, you can like this video, you can also share it, and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. And you can also go and buy us a glass of wine or a beer, and that helps support our channel as well as producing content like this for you guys. You can do so at buymeacoffee.com/wanderinghearts.
Yeah. Cheers. Back to it.
Our food was fantastic. There was like really loud music there, so we couldn't say anything, but food was awesome, actually. For mine, I don't know, how was yours?
Yeah, it was good.
You had the Cuban, and then I had the, I can't remember what it was, but it was like a beef on a, oh, it was so good. Anyways, so now we're actually going to go to the last boat. Apparently, we cannot find the other 2 sailing yachts that were supposed to be here, so
I don't think they're here.
They're either not here or I just miscounted. So we're gonna go to the final one that we haven't been to yet, which is an island packet, which is a good one. It's like a 47-footer, I think. So take a look at that, and then I think we're almost wrapped up here.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Excellent.
This is a 47-footer.
Yeah, 47.
It's loud. They're having a good time. So we are on an island packet. This is a 2022 island packet. I don't remember, it's like a 47-footer. I'll put the thing below. I didn't remember exactly what the actual destination is. But it's really beautiful, and it's a nice boat. I see this one's rigged up with the little work area. Nice, easy access to a lot of stuff here.
No, there's like a second shower down in there.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's nice.
Very cool. Oh yeah, and that just opens up to separate it out.
Yeah.
What have we got in here? The forward berth. Not too bad. And another more access to the head.
Oh.
What's the front look like? Oh, that's a Now that's one heck of a spacious bathroom. Look at that shower area. That thing is humongous.
That's pretty roomy.
That's a connection.
You're roomy than I was thinking.
What did you think of that last boat that we looked at? The Island Packet?
Oh yeah, the 47 foot.
Yeah.
Yes, it was nice. I like that. It was a lot more roomy. To be like on a monohull. That's probably
Oh yeah.
that's probably what I would prefer.
So what you're saying is, if we're gonna do a boat, it's gonna have to be one big monohull, or
Yeah.
or a
Or else-
catamaran.
yeah. I'd
Yeah.
rather do. I like catamarans the best.
Yeah.
Definitely.
The catamaran we were on earlier, can't remember the name of it right now, but it was a 39 foot, and it was a pretty decent one. I think a couple more feet would be
Yeah.
probably more comfortable,
Yeah.
but it was totally worth it. I mean, I think you could make that work, especially if we're just the two of us. But anyways, that's a fantasy. So, but right now we're trying to get back to the car because we got some weather coming in, and we don't want to get caught in the rain. So we are not dressed for it.
Yeah.
Whew. Okay, so we made it before the rain set in. That is some nasty clouds there. So
Oh yeah. Oh, I just looked back there.
yeah, check that out. That looks a little nasty. So, but I think overall, I had a great time. I enjoyed the boat show. You were saying,
Yeah, it was fun. I liked it. I think if there was a few more sailboats to look at, I think it would have been better.
yeah,
I think because of COVID, I heard a lady say that there was a couple boats that didn't come in, a couple of the manufacturers.
that could be why I didn't have why I miscounted on my
Yeah.
sailboats.
Yeah, so there was a few more sailboats that would have been fun
Yeah.
to get on. I mean, it was fun, but to get on them on some more. So, anyways, yeah, it's good.
So I don't think we're gonna make it to the pier today. So we're gonna have to hold that one off for another adventure.
Yeah.
So perhaps the next adventure, we might go to the St. Petersburg Pier and scope that out, because there's actually a bunch of restaurants there, a little beach area, like playgrounds, and like all sorts of stuff you can do. So maybe we'll do that, make a day of it. But right now, apparently telling us we need to go home.
We need
So
to head southwest.
so right now we're gonna head back to the casa and I don't know, get some food and relax. So we'll see you next time.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
What is? I don't know why it's talking to us.
On that note, well, I think we made the right choice of leaving when we did, because we just got home and missed all of this nastiness. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more of our adventures.
You can check out our website, wanderinghearts.com, for more information. Happy wandering!